Day 6 of me moving into my new house. I actually got ready, was kind of in a funk. So when I do my hair and makeup, sometimes I feel a little bit better. So I curled my hair, straightened the little pieces around my face. It was hair wash day. Then put my makeup on. Fun fact is I use a lot of drugstore dupes now, and they're all from Amazon. So you can find my whole makeup routine there. Also on Amazon Live. Just continuing to put on my makeup. Love my faces. Then I waited for the AT&T guy to get there to fix my Wi-Fi. I tried to hook it up the other day, and the yard people cut my fiber cord in half with a weed eater. Finished laying out my boots. Outfit of the day is my viral Amazon set. Then I went to Kroger and did a grocery haul. Got a bunch of fruits and vegetables, Greek yogurts, hummus, lemon and lime for a detox, bunch of snacks and healthy food. Going to make chicken and steak this week and learn how to cook again because I feel like I have forgotten. Got all my true fruit, of course. If you haven't tried them, try them. Got a bunch of frozen fruit for protein shakes. I like to drink that for breakfast. And then, of course, some coffee. Open some new packages. Stay tuned for day 7.